Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to talk about things that we're not sure about using two important words, may and might. Let's begin with the key points. Using may and might to express uncertainty. Sentence structure. Negative form. Practice examples. Summary. Using may and might to express uncertainty. We use may and might when we think something is possible, but we don't know for sure. May and might mean the same thing, but might usually shows a bit more uncertainty than may. Both are okay to use in everyday conversation. Examples. It may rain today. She might come to the party. I may see my friends. They might go to Spain. Sentence structure. The form is very simple. Subject, then may, might, then base verb. Examples. I may go shopping later. He might be late. They may travel next week. We might have chicken. Negative form. For negative sentences, we add not after may or might. May not, might not. Examples. She may not come today. I might not finish on time. Practice examples. Let's speak. Repeat after me. It might snow tomorrow. She may call me later. They might not come to the meeting. We may travel next weekend. Great work. Summary. Let's quickly review what we learned. May and might show that something is possible, but not certain. She might come. It may rain. Negative sentences use may not or might not. I may not finish. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.